Hey guys, this is Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Welcome back to the channel. Thought I'd give you guys a little sneak peek on what just arrived here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. We just got in a 2026 Jeep Wrangler MOAB 392. So it's a really nice Jeep Wrangler. So this one's, they're bringing back the 6.4 liter HEMI. And this one also is the XR, so it's going to feature a lot of great additions and upgrades, from the factory. You're going to get the fender extensions with the larger wheels, or larger tires, I apologize. So it looks like they're kind of close to a 35-inch tire. You got XR specific wheels, which are beadlock-capable. You're also going to get rock rails, and kind of looks like they went away with the gold 392 badging. Now we kind of got the blacked out 392 badging up on the hood. You got your MOAB decal on the side as well. And you got your blacked out trail rated and Jeep Wrangler badges on the side of the fenders. Got your steel bumper group as well, so it's going to include the front and rear steel bumpers, LED tail lights and headlights. And one good thing about this, new MOAB 392 is, when the original 392 come out, it had a MSRP of $102,000. As of now, you can get one of these MOAB 392s for just under $82,000, you guys. I mean, that is a great deal for this package. I mean, you get a V8 LED lighting, painted hardtop with the Freedom panels. Not many, changes or additions have been done to the interior, but I mean, it still looks great. Got your leather wrapped steering wheel, got your black Napa leather seats. I think I really would have liked to seen like some type of badging on the seat, maybe MOAB or something. There's your display, your cold weather package. But it looks good. I thought I'd just give you guys a little sneak peek or a first look, as it just landed here at Cross Jeep. It's still waiting to go through the pre-delivery inspection. It's got to get detailed. I mean, it just got transported, so it's a little dirty. But I figured it'd be a great time to kind of showcase. I know a lot of customers and, viewers have been asking when these are going to arrive, and today is the day. So what a great way to start off the week with a 2026 Jeep Wrangler MOAB 392. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to check out our website, you all, crossjeep.com. Give us a call if you're interested. This one is, it is available. Just has to go through the little process through service. But yeah, you can give us a call at 502-537-1738. And be sure to like and subscribe, you guys. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the MOAB 392. Is this something you'd be interested in, or not? But thank you guys. Y'all have a great day.